Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel. In this tutorial, I would like to talk about the AI. As you know that there are many AI in the market available, and most of them you would need to have internet to connect with their server, and sometimes the customization of those AI is a little bit complex, or sometimes it's not free and you need to pay for it. So in this session, I would like to introduce the world of the AI, which is practical from my point of view, and also you can install in your local machine without internet. And if you need also combine to your app, it's also possible. So if you are interested in this topic, please stay with me until end, and let's see how it is and how we can configure it. Okay, first of all, you would need to uh, uh, googling Ollama. Ollama is one of the AI which is have the community, and in my opinion, it's also practical. So when you search about Ollama, it will come such this information. You can see this is the official website of the Ollama, and when you open this website, it will navigate to this page, and in top side of that you will see the download. Okay, when you click on the download, it will navigate you to this page, and you can see the different OS as a Mac OS, Linux, or Windows. If you have the Mac, then you would need to click on Mac. If you want in Linux, definitely you need to click on Linux. For my case, it was Windows OS, so I have downloaded the Windows. It's absolutely straightforward. You can just need to next, and it will be installed. Because I already installed in my environment, I will not go through the process. But just I want to mention, when you install that one, there is an icon like this. It will shown as a Ollama for you, so you should make sure uh, this environment for Ollama package already installed. Then you would need go to the model. You can see here there is a models, and then it will show you different type of the models. So what are these models? The models is actually algorithm which you install in Ollama environment, and then based on that or models, it will give you result. Some of these models is just general. We can say the text model. Some of them are for the picture or the vision, like for example lava. This you can see here there is a tag as a vision, so this model gives you capability to analyze the picture, but other it's just only for the text. And some of them also, like deep seek, it's for coding, and if you install it, you can rely on the result of the coding part. Then uh, this is the information which you need to know about that. And there are different signs for each model. When you for example install the small package, definitely the domain of the data model is low, and you shouldn't expect so much accurate data or a result. Yeah, that's okay for the simple process, but I'm talking about the complex, or we can say that the expensive process, then definitely you have to install the bigger size, because it has extended and involved the many information libraries and dictionary. So after you, for example, selected the one of the, we can say the model. Suppose I select the Gemma. Then in that case, you would need to say, okay, well, I'm talking about this size, or 9B or 27B. For example, 9B. Then there are many information about that model. You can go through that model to see what is this model and how is it, and for example, which AI now currently is using these models, and so on. So all this information are available for you, and you can go through this information to know more about that model. Then after you already decided to go for the size of the model and everything, then you click on that one for the copy of this command. This is the command which you uh, need for install that model in your environment. Then you have to search for the PowerShell, which, for example, for me already I have in my environment, and copy paste that command in your environment. When you for example, is for the first time you are installing this model, then definitely it will install for you like this process. But if you already installed this model, then it just after running this command, it will run and ask you the question. I'm ready for answering your question. So I mean that every time you're running this command, it will not install. It just only one time will install, and the next time it just run it. Yeah. So you need just to have this command for running as well. I'm pausing the video for this stage, and after this installation finished, then I will get back and to see how does it work. It's around 5 minutes for this. For example, model will take time, and then after that, we will see together how we can run this model. Okay, it's almost is going to be finished. Yes, let's see together. It will show the success for installing. Now verifying, and then yes, success. And now here you go. Now this is the message, hello, and it will give you the answer. So let me just turn off my internet, and then I will show you it's working without the internet. Okay, now I turned off my internet for proof of that. Here you go. I have no internet. You can see it's the Google, it doesn't open. So let me ask him. Okay, still now it's working, and just you can see this model gives you also the emoji, because it's a little bit we can say that the domain of that is high and have the extended dictionary. So well, let me see. Okay, perfect. A capital city of the USA, and they is still asking. I ask, and then it said Washington D.C. Perfect. I think now we are completed for this session. As I mentioned, this AI, it has several method or the possibility to use it with the, for example, the CMD command as a text, or maybe you can have the UI web, or maybe you can connect to your app. In upcoming session, I will talk about those possibilities one by one. So if you are interested in this, or we can say, or upcoming videos, please stay tuned and subscribe my channel. Definitely when the videos will come up, it will give you the notification, and then you can watch those videos. And if you like this tutorial and you think it was helpful, please don't forget to like button. And again, if you have any question or doubt about this session, please drop your comments below. Definitely I will get back to you. Thank you again, and see you in next one.